Madison, Maddie, Meg, Button, Peanut, or P for short. She speaks up for injustice. She's fiercely loyal. She has a sense of style that one dare not question. And she loves deeply. When she was little, she carried a Lovey. This is what's left of her first Lovey. It's Lovey's eye. She loves deeply. Cole, Coyle, or Jafar fits so well with my daughter. He loves his family, and he loves Madison. He proves it over and over again whenever Kiwi walks by, or whenever Meg comes home with a new Stanley, or when we frantically had to find a new wedding venue so we didn't get wet and frozen.
I've known this couple for many years, and I personally believe that these two are one of the greatest examples of strength, commitment, and support that I've ever seen amongst a couple. And over the years, and the time I'd spend with these two, it's easy to forget what things were like before. But as I look back at this couple from who they were 6 years ago, when Cole was advising against Meg from getting a dog, to who they are now, currently building a life together with that dog, it is inspiring to see how much they've grown together.
When I was younger, I prayed quiet as a breath for a boy who looked like kindness and felt like home. And my God, how you are him. When I met you, I felt like I didn't really have a home. When we talked about this, you quickly told me that home isn't necessarily a place, but a feeling. While I understand what you mean by that, I think that home is different for everyone. To me, home is a person, and how lucky am I to have found my home when I needed it.
I had more, but that's all right.
I'm excited.
That's fine. And to you, Meg,
I'll let you finish.
take this man, Cole, to be your lawfully wedded husband, to live together in matrimony, to love and honor him in sickness and in health, until death do you part.
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of New Mexico, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Cole, you may kiss your bride.